Another short note, guys, I have been using my phone for a long time now, and it has been having some trouble recently after I started posting some information on YouTube, and my phone's battery adapter related issues are actually making it more troublesome for me to upload. And until unless I fix that, I'm going to use my mom's phone that my brother sent from Japan, and I hope I am going to be back again on YouTube channel with my phone after few days, and I will be posting those videos and all type of information from my phone again. Until then, for a little while, I am going to post my informations and run the YouTube channel from my mom's phone. See you in my next videos.